Hello everyone, welcome to the TrueSelf Meditation YouTube channel. Today's episode is for those who are new to meditation. Let's start with a brief introduction to meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind to achieve a state of calm, relaxation, and clarity. Meditation quits the constant noise and mental clutter, and leads us to a clearer and more peaceful mind. Every day we cycle through many thoughts and feelings, some of which are negative. Negative emotions and thoughts can damage our health, relationships, and ultimately our quality of life. You know that positive thoughts and a balanced mindset can improve the quality of life. Meditation can help improve your mood and outlook on life. Many people practice meditation to live a more peaceful and happier life, a brighter and more beautiful life. Let's experience a meditation together. We usually meditate sitting down. But if you are tired, you can meditate lying down. You can also sit loosely cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet on the floor. All are fine. Just make sure you are stable and in a position you can stay for a while. A good posture is important. Your back should be straight and your head should not be bent forward or tilted back. With your palms facing the sky, place one palm on the top of the other and bring them close to your lower belly. Slowly close your eyes and take a deep breath. Gently inhale through your nose and exhale, long and open mouth, to release all the air in your lung. This long exhale will help you relax your body and mind. Follow the sensation of your breath as it goes in and as it goes out. Keep your eyes closed with a light smile on your face. Now breathe in gently through your nose as you inhale and exhale through your mouth. Continue to breathe in this way, in sync with your own breathing. Next, inhale and exhale both through your nose. Take a light inhale through your nose and a long exhale through your nose. Again, breathe in gently through your nose and out through your nose. Continue to breathe in this way, in sync with your own breathing. As you breathe, visualize yourself rejoicing the many good things happening in your life. If your mind wanders, bring it back to your breath. Take a light inhale through your nose and a long exhale through your nose. Again, take a light inhale through your nose and take a long exhale through your nose. When you are free of any thoughts, put a little smile on your face, imagining yourself rejoicing the many good things happening in your life. Good. From now on, keep your mind empty of thoughts and concentrate on your breath. Now don't even think about your breaths. Relax completely and rest. Well done. Do you feel calm and relaxed? Regular practice of even this mini meditation you've just learned will help you feel healthier in body and mind. I love you. May you always be at peace and happy.